कैन यू मेक आउट कौन फोकस्ड है कौन नहीं?
फोकस इज समथिंग विच इज वेरी पर्सनल. अगर वो है तो वो है. यू बी ऑनेस्ट विद योर ओन सेल्फ. तुम्हें पढ़ना है तो सच में पढ़ो, दिखाने के लिए मत पढ़ो. ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए तुमने किताब खोली और उसमें फोन रखा है, तुम स्क्रॉल कर रहे हो. फोकस इज समथिंग विच इज वेरी पर्सनल. वो किसी इंसान में होता है तो होता है, उसे बिल्ड किया जा सकता है, लेकिन इट इज वेरी एसेंशियल फॉर सक्सेस.
How to become so much focused? Wake up in the morning and start doing your work. Start doing your work and don't complain. Oh my God, my life is like this. Oh my God, my life is like. Don't do that. Don't show pity on your own life. Oh, ಏನಾಯ್ತು ಕಷ್ಟ ಆಯ್ತು. Don't do that. Okay, things are looking really bad. I am unemployed. I don't have a job. My girlfriend left me. My parents hate me. I cannot change it. What I can do right now is what? I need to prepare for this exam. I need to clear it. I'm going to do that. Throw your watch away. Don't look at the time. Keep studying. Keep working hard.
फोकस कैसे बिल्ड कर सकते
आजकल पता चल रहा होगा कि स्क्रोलिंग इज बिकमिंग अ न्यू प्रॉब्लम. सोशल मीडिया फर्स्ट इज अवेयरनेस इटसेल्फ. तो पहले तो रियलाइज हो जाए ना कि हमारा कितना समय हम फोन पे हैं. सेकंड, डेवलपिंग और यूजिंग सम टेक्नोलॉजी. कुछ ऐप्स ऐसी डाउनलोड कर लो जो आपको फोन को कुछ ऐप्स को लॉक कर देती है. हम ऐसा कर सकते हैं कि जो डिस्ट्रैक्टर्स हैं हमारे को, तो उनको थोड़ा दूर रखें अपने से. तो वैसे कुछ तरीके हैं, और एक बार हैबिट छूटी, एडिक्शन छूटा, तो इट विल बिकम नॉर्मल.
मुझसे आगे हो, मुझसे कम हो, मुझसे ज़्यादा व्यूज़ है, मुझसे ज़्यादा बड़े गेस्ट लाते हो, छोटे गेस्ट लाते हो, नहीं लाते हो. कभी कभी मोमेंटरीली ये फ़र्क पड़ता है कि यार ये वाला इंसान ना मुझे चाहिए था, ये दूसरे पे चले गया पहले. सो इंटरनली आप डिस्कस करते हो, बट देन वो नहीं आया तो इट्स ओके, वी फोकस ऑन द नेक्स्ट. कोई बहुत बड़ा गेस्ट आ गया जो हमने लगे नाउ वी लाइक किल्ड इट, आज तो हमने फोड़ दिया. हम उस रात को भी आते हैं, वापस काम करते हैं, अगले दिन सेम अप्रोच से. ज़ीरो. ना हमें सेलिब्रेशन से कोई फ़र्क पड़ता है कि बहुत बड़ा है, ना हमें किसी सैड डे से फ़र्क पड़ता है.
Feeling confident writing the answer, so unbelievable to initiate answer writing, and now only 1 year is left. How can I clear the UPSC CSC in 2026? I am not feeling confident. I don't know how to tell this to you. You are not writing a love letter. It is just an answer.
Topper of your class isn't your competition. Your neighbor who bought a new car isn't your competition. Sharma ji का बेटा who got into IIT isn't your competition. Your friend जिसकी startup को funding मिल गई isn't your competition. Your cousin who bought a new house isn't your competition. Your competition isn't other people. Your competition is your laziness, your ego, the unhealthy food you're eating, the knowledge you're not consuming. You are your competition. You have to compete with yourself on daily basis to become a better version of yourself.
Non-civil servants. I destroyed my career. Why destroying other careers or countries' youth energy? Please. I am not putting gun on anybody's head and telling, come on, prepare for UPSC. I am not at all painting a rosy picture here and telling people, if you get into UPSC, your life will be heaven.
When a man blames other people, then he has a long journey to cover. When a man blames himself, he's halfway there. When a man blames nothing and just takes it as it is, he's arrived. काफी
When a faculty speaks, whoever it is, me or anybody, don't use it in your family, because Indian family thinks with emotion, and you start speaking by facts means that is the fastest way to become the enemy of your own parents. There you act like a total emotional fool, no issues. But apart from your family, you're talking with anybody or somebody talks to you anything, immediately think, are they speaking with facts? That is the most important thing. Successful. You should try again then. Please understand, 150 crore people are there in this country. Getting the point here. Our great grandfathers were only good at largely one thing, which was reproduction.
गाली दे रही है, सर नीचे रखो, काम करो. तुम जीत रहे हो, सर नीचे करो, काम करो. तुम हार रहे हो, सर नीचे रखो, काम करो. तुम सिर्फ सर नीचे रख के काम करते जाओ, करते जाओ, करते जाओ, करते जाओ. एक दिन ना 6 महीने, साल भर, 2 साल, 5 साल, 10 साल, फट एकदम फटेगा. All of a sudden people will call you overnight success. Overnight.
Prelims, when I go and sit in front of the paper, my first thought in my head was, what if I don't clear this time? What will I tell my dad? What will I tell my mom? How will I face my relatives? Who is the first Prime Minister of India? Mahatma Gandhi. I know. Obviously, UPSC has never asked who is the first Prime Minister of India. But for a very easy question also, I used to mark the wrong answer. And from 2017 to the remaining 4 years, 17, 18, 19, 20, what used to happen was that anywhere between 15 to 23 questions, I used to make it wrong, for which I knew the answer.
वन बिगेस्ट हैबिट या मेट्रिक किसी इंसान में जो होता है जो उसे सक्सेसफुल बनाती है,
डिसिप्लिन।
That's it.
उस डिसिप्लिन के नाम बहुत सारे हैं, उसका सबसे सुंदर नाम है परसिवियरेंस। परसिवियरेंस का मतलब है अपने टारगेट को दिमाग में रख के लंबे समय तक ठंडी आंच पर, धीमी आंच पर उसके लिए मेहनत करते रहना। जिसमें ये है वो देर सवेर किसी भी फील्ड में सफल हो जाएगा।
Self-doubts disturbs me a lot. That is pretty much natural. Anybody will get such feelings. It is only a natural feeling. There is nothing new to it. The only thing to do, that is where I told you, take care of your physique. Only if your body is strong, you will be able to have a very strong mind. I'm not able to make self-notes. See, all these, I'm not able to make self-notes, or I'm not able to be consistent. I'm not able to be disciplined. How should I start my answer writing? Trust me, these are all nothing but a lack of willpower from your side. Nothing more than that.
It's a great thing for achievers कि पूरी दुनिया डिस्ट्रैक्टेड है.
It's easy to win now.
Exactly. It's so easy to win. तुम्हें थोड़ा सा फोकस करना और तुम जीत जाओगे, कि बाकी सब तो वैसे ही डिस्ट्रैक्टेड है.
This is what I say to my kids. कि earlier it was difficult.
सब पढ़ रहे थे, सब
फोकस थे. तो अब तो इतना आसान है, क्योंकि जब सब फोन पे हैं या जब सब डिस्ट्रैक्टेड हैं, तो तुम थोड़ा सा बस ध्यान लगा लो, कुछ समय का पेशेंस रख लो, you'll be through.
Don't panic. You're prepared for this moment. Trust your hard work. No last minute cramming. Stay calm. Stay sharp. Very, very important, people. Very, very important. That is prelims time. Now, why am I going on telling you? Read. Reading, why? Because understand one thing, in prelims already what is there? All the answers are there in that paper. It is already there. You need to just identify it.
Achieve something really big, you need to be ready to have really big sacrifices.
Yes, absolutely.
तुम कितना बड़ा गेम खेल सकते हो डिपेंड करता है तुम कितना बड़ा सैक्रिफाइस कर सकते हो.
चाहता तो हर कोई हर कुछ है,
बट कितनी बुरी तरह से चाहता है वो डिफरेंस करता है.
Many people say, sir, I want to crack UPSC at the age of 21. I want to be the youngest IAS officer. And then do what? What will you do after that? 2 days you will be in the newspaper. 2 days. 2 weeks, people will forget. That's it.
Life is very simple. We try and complicate things and make it very, very complicated. I know it sounds crazy कि यार लाइफ सिंपल थोड़ी है, ऐसा नहीं होता है, कितने challenges है लाइफ में. But yeah, challenges तो हर चीज में. Anything we do in life, there is challenge. But we try and it is our responsibility, it is our duty to make it very, very simple. And how we can do that is by preparing well. And that is where I said preparation is the key. And that is something that I really believed in. And if you prepare well, you will really start well. And you know, that is what you need. You need to start well. Once you start, then you have that momentum. You carry that momentum in life.
So stubborn, telling that no, I don't want to be financially independent. Why? This, in fact, after the first attempt, if you actually notice, second, third, fourth attempt is every attempt is nothing but wastage of time.
If you don't make a lot of money, अबे कितना useless है. If you get 6 packs, पक्का steroids देता होगा. If you don't get fit, people will body shame you. If you live with your parents, अभी तक माँ बाप के पैसों पे जीता है. If you don't live with your parents, कैसा है? माँ बाप को भी छोड़ दिया. If you spend money on yourself, कितना show off है. If you don't spend money on yourself, कितना कंजूस है. No matter what you do, haters will always have something to say about you. Now you can either focus on haters or on your dreams to make it a reality.
आज न्यू ईयर है एंड न्यू ईयर में लेट्स टेक अ डिसीजन कि हम इस साल अपनी लाइफ चेंज करेंगे